Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the quickest way to change the color of objects. Open a photo you'd like to use for this project. The first step is to make a selection around the object. In this case it'll be the sofa. There are many ways to do this, but for this example, let's use the Object Selection tool. Drag the tool over the object you want to change the color of. If you want to remove an object from selection, place the cursor over it and press and hold Alt as you click on it. Once you're happy with the selection, click the folder icon to make a folder, and click the layer mask icon to make a layer mask of the selection next to the folder. We'll place into the folder all the color and tonal adjustments that we'll make to the object. Click the adjustment layer icon and click Solid Color. Pick any color you like. Change its blend mode to color. Right now, the sofa's color need to be corrected. We'll correct it by clicking the adjustment layer icon again and clicking Levels. Basically, Levels adjusts the tonal range and color balance of an image by adjusting the intensity levels of an image's shadows, midtones, and highlights. Drag the solid color above Levels. Make the Levels adjustment layer active. The outer two input sliders map the black point and the white point. Dragging the white output slider to this point will force the lightest tone of the sofa to be as bright as this gray tone. Conversely, dragging the black output slider to this point will force the darkest tone of the sofa to be as bright as this gray tone. Since every color has its own characteristics of brightness and intensity, feel free to adjust the output and input settings until you like the results. Let's make our object a different color. Double-click the solid color layer to open the color picker and pick a different color. Make the Levels adjustment layer active and adjust the output and input levels until you like the color's intensity, brightness, and contrast. This time, I'll make the sofa a light gray. In the color picker, pick a gray color. Make the Levels adjustment layer active and slide the input and output levels until you like the way it looks. That's it, quick and simple. Thanks for watching.